Hello boys and girls, how are you today? Today we have a lesson for Unit 7, good idea, and today we will sing a song and talk about inventions. But first tell me, what's the date today? And what's the months? What's the months now? April finished and now it is May. It is May. Okay, let's see, what's the day of the week now? Today. Today is Monday. Monday. And what's the date? What's the date? It's 4th of May. It's 4th of May. Write in your notebooks date 4th of May. Write in 4th of May. Thank you so much. Now let's remember words. Listen and repeat. Repeat. Imagination. And what does it mean? Think of picture in your head. Think of picture in your head. For example, I am playing football. My imagination. So it is my imagination. Or I imagine planets. I imagine planets. So it is my imagination. Imagination. When you have picture in your head. Repeat after me. Invent. Invent. To create or to make something new. To make something new means invent. For example, here is invention of airplane. Next, and an invention. An invention. Repeat after me. An invention. Something newly made. What inventions do you know? What inventions do you know? For example, TV. For example, computer, phone. They are inventions. They are inventions. Or plane, airplane. It is also invention. Someone invented invention. Next, repeat after me. Fail. Fail. An unsuccessful result. It means bad result. They wanted to fly, but they couldn't. They had a fail. They had a fail. They couldn't. They wanted, but they couldn't. They wanted to fly, but they failed. They failed. Bad result. They couldn't do. They couldn't do. And opposite to fail, succeed. Repeat after me. Succeed. If you succeed, you do something that you have been trying to do. And if a plan or a piece of work succeeds, it has the results that you wanted. Okay, for example, they wanted to fly. They wanted to fly. They tried and they tried and they did. They could do this. So they succeed. But if they did something, they tried and they couldn't do, it means fail. Succeed. Now they can fly. They are flying. Repeat after me. A problem. Something that makes it difficult to do. Problem. Difficult to do. And the answer to a problem. The answer to a problem. A solution. Repeat after me. A solution. A solution. Next. Where can you see a wheel? Where can you see a wheel? For example, in a bicycle, in a car. Repeat after me. A wheel. A wheel. Well done. When do you use electricity? Repeat after me. Electricity. When do you use? You use to watch TV, to play computer games, to use mobile phone. To open the light, you use electricity. Now we are using electricity too. Useful. Repeat after me. Useful. Helping you to do something. For example, when it's rain, umbrella is useful. Umbrella helps me to protect me from the rain. So, umbrella is useful. What else is useful? What else is useful? For example, again, what is useful? Airplane. Is it useful? Yes, it's useful. Laptop, computer, is it useful? Yes, it helps to work, to connect, to chat, to see your friends, for example. So, it is useful. Useful. Where does we use batteries? Where do we use batteries? In our phones, in toys, we use batteries. Repeat after me. A battery. And an idea. Repeat. An idea. A plan for doing something. I have a plan. It is my idea. I have a plan of doing something. I have a plan. I have an idea how to make this presentation, how to make a lesson. I have plan. I have an idea. Next, repeat after me. Creativity. Creativity. When you can make or use special and unusual ideas. Special ideas. You think of something special and you use your creativity. Creativity. You are making some special, unusual ideas. Creativity. Repeat after me. Try. Try. To test something, to use it, to see if it is useful, if it can work. When you try something, you see, is it useful? Can it work? You are trying something, trying. For example, you have a new mobile phone. It is new and you are trying. How does it work? You are trying it. Now let's read the words and remember how to write and say. How to write and say. One more time, let's read and remember how to write. Invention, problem, solution, wheel, battery, imagination, creativity, idea, invent, try, fail, succeed. One more time, look at the words and remember how to write and how to say these words. Now, close your books and open your notebooks. Now, listen and write. Okay, word number 1. Write number 1. Invention. Write in your notebook number 1, invention. Number 2, problem. Number 2, problem. Number 1, invention. 2, problem. 3, solution. Next, wheel. Wheel. Electricity. Electricity. Useful. 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 Next, battery, battery. Next, imagination, imagination. Next, creativity, creativity, creativity. Imagination, then creativity, creativity. Idea, idea. Next, invent, invent, invent. First word was invention, now invent, invent. Next, try, try. Then, fail, fail. The last, succeed, succeed, succeed. One more time. Invention, problem, solution, wheel, electricity, useful, battery, imagination, creativity, idea, invent, try, fail, succeed. Now let's check your answers. Now let's check your answers. Now look at the words and look at your notebook and check if you have mistakes or not. If you have mistake, cross and write correct word. Invention, problem, solution, wheel, battery, imagination, creativity, idea, invent, try, fail, succeed. Checking in your notebooks. Okay, finishing this. Next, inventions help us to do things. Inventions help us to do things. For example, invention of TV. TV helps to know what is going on in the world. Okay, we can watch news, we can watch TV programs. They are useful for us. People only used to, but now, so people only used to in the past, but now, in present. Look at the example. People only used to walk in the past, but now they drive cars. But now they drive cars. So, invention of the car help us to not walk, but to drive, to move faster from one place to another. So, people only used to walk in the past, but now, in present, they drive cars. Next example. In the past, people only used to talk face to face, but now they use mobile phones. For example, I can't talk to you face to face. I can't talk to you face to face. You are not here, but now I can use mobile phone. I can call you. So with invention of mobile phone help us to talk in distance. Next, people in the past, people only used to travel by boat, but now they travel by airplane. So, invention of airplane helps us to move faster from one place to another. Now, open your books at page 112. We will listen the song, then we will sing a song, and then we will answer the questions. Okay, open your books. Page 112. Now let's listen. Now let's listen. The name of the song, Inventions. Inventions.
Track B18, Activity 4. Listen, read and sing.
Inventions solve problems, problems that we used to have are gone. The wheel and the mobile phone help to make our world go round. Inventions are useful every day, in every way. Computers, cars, and aeroplanes help to make our world go round. Creativity, electricity, creativity changes the world.
Next.
You used to have to walk to get from place to place. Years ago you could only talk face to face. You could only get across the sea by boat. Now we fly across the sky. Inventions are the reason why.
And again.
Creativity, electricity, creativity changes the world. Imagination and ideas can change the world every day. Can you solve a problem? Can you help our world today? Creativity, electricity, creativity changes the world. Creativity, electricity, creativity changes the world.
Okay, now let's read. Let's read. Creativity. Creativity means to think special ideas, interesting ideas. Electricity. Creativity changes the world. Inventions solve problems. Inventions solve problems. Problems that we used to have are gone. Problems that we used to have are gone means finished. Problems that we used to have in the past, now gone, finished. The wheel and the mobile phone help to make our world go around. Inventions are useful every day in every way. Computers, cars and airplanes help to make our world go round. You used to have to walk to get from place to place. Years ago, you could only talk face to face. You could only get across the sea by boat. Now we fly across the sea. Inventions are the reason why. So in the past, we have to walk from one place to another. And years ago, we could only talk face to face. And in the past, we could only use boats to get from one place to another. But now we can use airplanes. Imagination and ideas can change the world every day. Can you solve a problem? Can you help our world today? Okay, now let's answer the questions. Activity 5. Number 1. What inventions are mentioned in the song? What inventions can you find in the song? What inventions? Okay, first, electricity. Electricity is an invention. Next, wheel. Mobile phone is an invention. What else? Here, computers, cars, airplanes, they are inventions. What else? And that's all. Next, question 2. Which invention do you think is the most important? You answered this question. Which invention do you think is the most important? What is the most important for you? among inventions. For example, it can be invention of a wheel or invention of a car. What is important for you? What invention? Or computer or internet or computer games. Computer games can be the most important for you, or television. Okay, for now that's all. For your homework, learn the song. After this video, again open the video and listen the song and learn it. So homework, learn the song. For now that's all. See you next time. Bye.